Hello and welcome to SolidCad. Today we are going to make this simple part here in SolidWorks. This is a 50mm radius here and 70mm radius there. This is 300mm wide long and 120mm wide. This is base plate here. So let's start with this first, and 20mm height of this plate. So let's start with this first. I will open a new part. On the front plane, I will draw a sketch of 70 times 2 and 50 times 2 because these are the radiuses. I will draw a line from here to here somewhere. Let me make sure this is horizontal. Okay, I will give it a dimension from here to here is 100mm, and total length of this is 300mm. I will trim the extra and I will offset it. I will trim also this and this. I will join it later. I will offset it. Offset. Select chain, not chain. 20mm. Okay. I will offset this also 20mm. I will use trim tool to extend these, and I will trim it. I will extend these also and trim it, and this and trim it. I will trim this and this also. Let me join this and this, and here to here. The sketch is fully defined. These are the radiuses here, 100mm. This is radius actually, which is 50mm here, 50mm radius here, and 140mm radius there. Leaders, leader, sorry, this is 50mm and this is 140mm here, and these are 20mm both sides. Sketch is fully defined. I will extrude it up to 120mm, but the end condition is mid plane, like so. Okay, I will draw a sketch here, two circles here. One is let me check, 40 and 68, 40mm, and another one is 68mm, like so. The distance between this and the origin is 129.5. okay, and this and the origin must be horizontal. The sketch is fully defined. I will extrude it up to 80mm. 80mm. Okay, like so. I will draw on the front plane. On the front plane, I will draw a sketch. Actually, these are two circles here. This one is 88mm. This is 88mm, and this one is 60 millimeter. like so, and the distance between them is 168. From here to there is 168, like so, and this and origin are vertical. Sketch is fully defined. Okay, let me extrude it up to 80 millimeter mid plane, like so. Let me check if it is 80 millimeter. Yes, this is 80 millimeter. Okay, like so. On the front plane, I will draw another line from the quadrant to here somewhere, and another line from quadrant to here somewhere, and draw another line here. I will convert these entities, not this convert. I will trim this. I will trim also this. I don't need this. I will give the dimension from here to here is 1 millimeter is enough. Let me draw a line, center line from here, midpoint line for construction. I will make it construction. I will make this and this coincident, so sketch is fully defined. Now let me extrude it up to 20 millimeter. End condition is mid plane, like so. Now there are fillets here. None of this is, I have to select it individually. Of 20 millimeter. 20 millimeter, okay, like so. On this face, I will draw a 20 millimeter bore here and another bore of 20 millimeter here. Make them equal, like so. It should be 80 millimeter. It's driven that dimension, but it will show the exact location of these holes. I will cut them up to next, through all. Okay, through all is okay. The part is done. There is nothing more to do. Everything is done, I think. Everything is done. Nothing's left. No more fillets or chamfers here. So this is the part. Let me give it a appearance. I will make it 255 tab and 156 tab and 63 tab. This looks good. Okay, so this was the simple part here in SolidWorks. I hope you like it, and thank you for watching, and please subscribe.